Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, May 25th, 2022. Let's start with the Forex review. The calendar for today, it's pretty busy. However, some important data had been released overnight. What I'm talking about is the official cash rate and the Reserve Bank of New Zealand rate statement together with the monetary policy statement. Of course, this is the news from the New Zealand. Official cash rate was published at 4 a.m. and the press conference was done at 5 a.m. During the London session, we have some data here as well. However, they are not that important as the other ones. GDP from the German, the GfK consumer climate, they might have some importance for the traders. ECB financial stability report scheduled for release at 10 o'clock, very nice. And 5 minutes after 1 p.m. Bank of Japan Governor Haruko Kuroda will give a speech. Okay, and then during the New York session we have of course the event of the day, FOMC meeting minutes scheduled for release as usual at 8 p.m. But before that we got durable goods orders 2:30, crude oil inventories 4:30, and FOMC member speech Liar Brainerd at 6:15. So kind of an interesting day, especially during the New York session. So let's find out what's going on the charts. We are going to start our technical part with New Zealand dollar first. Daily time frame chart of the New Zealand dollar against the American dollar, of course, is seeing some kind of a bid. We already broke above the blue trend line here, so we are trending higher, and recently we just broke above 6,509, the technical resistance. This is the technical resistance that apparently is kind of important because it's as you can see here, the resistance from 2020. The other level is 6,527, the resistance from 2022. This is the end of the January. So I put my blue arrows here on this kind of a zone. It's about 20 pips zone, might be important for the bulls. If they break higher, very nice, we can go even towards 6,587 and 6,699 pips. So please keep an eye on this level here, on this zone, and on the market reaction on this zone. If there is a bearish engulfing, if there is some kind of a pin bar, that means this resistance zone, this resistance levels and this supply zone has been well defended, and the bears will not give up just like that. So very interesting thing here. On the momentum, we are on the breaking point above the level of 50 neutral level. So any breakout above that supply zone will give us a kick of the momentum higher. Any kind of a cap or termination of this corrective move to the upside will push the prices back towards 6,379 and the momentum back into the negative zone. So it's very important to keep an eye on the current market development on the New Zealand dollar. Let's find out what is going on the euro dollar. Data from the American FOMC meeting minutes, American markets, durable good orders and so on, GfK consumer climate, ECB monetary stability report. All of this data will have an impact on the euro dollar price action. We broke above the level of 50 on the momentum, high was 56, which means the bulls were able to dissolve this bullish divergence, finally dissolve it and played it. We almost hit 1.0760. The high was 1.0, so let me just find out, 1.0749, so 11 pips miss. from the technical resistance. However, it looks very good for the bulls. We don't look tired yet. However, this red candle doesn't actually looks that well anymore, so please keep an eye on this red candle. The technical support is located a little bit higher. I think it should be at the level of 1.0642. This is the 0643. This is the technical support, and of course the old technical support, which is here 1.0472. So euro dollar looking good. Euro dollar euro dollar boost wants to go higher. Very nice retracement. However, please notice the fact that we need to break above 1.0922, 1.0933 in order to continue the up move, and then of course the V-shaped reversal, beautiful V-shaped reversal on the daily time frame chart is done, and we might have even a trend reversal, downtrend reversal into the up trend. So what is going on the S&P 500? The S&P 500 is seeing some kind of a bullish price action candlestick behavior. So we got the daily time frame chart of the S&P 500. Yesterday we tried to go higher. 2 days ago we tried to go higher. Today we opened in the middle of this range. However, please notice the fact that wave C might be done, but as you can see, the key technical resistance is 4,137. As long as we trade below this level, the outlook remains bearish, with even the potential target at 3,735. So euro dollar going up. S&P 500 doesn't want to go up that much, and the New Zealand dollar is of course fueled by the recent official cash rate decision, so it's going a little bit higher as well. Last but not least, let's talk about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Not much. The Bitcoin is still trading in a very choppy range. Just above the 28,964. So this is the lower range level, and we can say that the upper range level is somewhere around the level of this high, 31,390. But recently we just tried to trade below 30,196. And that choppiness, even if we are back inside this descending channel, doesn't mean actually that the market will break to the upside, as the black scenario is showing us. Breakout to the upside, even towards 34,290. Test of the upper higher of the upper channel line, and then the wave down, because with that kind of a price action, which is barely moving this momentum higher, as you can see, there is no upward momentum almost here. We are just going up and down, up and down, up and down, slightly, of course, just slightly going up, much more often than going down. However, there is no momentum like this here, or like this here, right? This is the nice momentum to the upside. However, it's been capped anyway. So what it looks like is like bulls are trying, but from this trying there is no result. So there is attempts to rally, but there is no result. All of the up moves are being capped. So in that situation, either bulls will throw a towel and give up, or the bears will finally say, okay, let's rally towards the upper channel line, or at least to 32,905. Okay, and then reverse. But it looks like after this period of consolidation, we will have the down move here towards 24,917 and $24,000 level sooner than the breakout to the upside. Okay, so please keep an eye on the Bitcoin, because it's been trading like this for almost 2 weeks. However, it's still very important to see where the breakout will be, to the upside first and then downside, or straight downside, which means bears are still in control of this market and they want lower prices for the Bitcoin in the near time. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.